Oh, gosh,
Diamond.
We gotta go potty. Get away from me.
Get away from me.
But no, some lady.
You came over here like,
And we're gonna
in 24 hours.
Yes, it's one per person. Here you go. One per person. So I'm gonna be out there like.
What happened to your knee?
You gotta grab one.
I've always had it.
That's like a mole mom.
Yeah, it's like it's like a big one.
Oh, wow. Dice que tengas quemado.
Watching, because like, it seems like it was really cool back then. Was it really like that back then?
And I'm like,
Cuando yo no sé qué se volteaba uno.
yeah, Legos. Who's that bag? Here you go. What's his big noise?
Lino got it again.
Lino!
Oh, Kristen. Come here. Just like your things right here.
Dora! She doesn't want to take any comida.
Yes, mommy.
Huh? You know, it would be better if you get it right now because...
Huh? You know, it'd be better if you get it right now because. Huh? You know, it'd be better if you get it right now because.
Since I'm going to fit in my fridge, it's going to go back.
Okay.
Have a good night.